Okay, we're here today and we're gonna be tubing down a river in the middle of Belize in the jungle. This river actually has some fish that are related to piranhas that bite you all the time.
Whoa, let's not scare everybody. No piranhas in the river. It's gonna be totally safe. We're gonna go tube down the river. Come with us and we'll check it out. This is an important tree in the jungle. If you were to look at this fruit, it always grows just like this in pairs. Or what would you call this tree? It's called the horse balls tree. There's a scientific name for it, but nobody knows it because everybody calls it the horse balls tree. Nailed it! Woohoo!
Wait, don't spoil the tracks. Bigfoot.
That's just me. Right here is a bunch of Cohune Nuts. They're what we use to heat the water for the resort. They're super fibrous and like energy dense.
They're really strong. It's really hard to take off.
Strongest nut in the world.
Oh, got it. Yes, I got it. But mine has a root.
Whoa! Guys, it's the river!
So we were here 2 days ago. Things got a little bit sketchy. It had rained for 3 days straight and the river came all the way up to here. You can see where it took out all of this greenery here. So probably another 4 feet up from where the river level is today. So you've got to pay attention to the river level. It's higher than it is normally, so it's gonna be fast and really fun today. Yeah, go for it. Oh! Nope, that did not work.
Easier with shoes on.
Here we go! So this tree right here, that's called a Ceiba tree. It was sacred to the Maya people. So they believe that the roots represented going down into the underworld. The trunk was the earthly life, and the branches were the heavens.
Ow! Ow!
What is that?
Ow, you got it! These are hutes. The Mayans used to eat them. They're everywhere in the river.
So the place we put into the river is called Kingfisher Pool. There are 3 different swimming holes here on the property. That's the first one at the very top. This one's called Red Cliff Beach. There's a red cliff and a beach here. And then the Emerald Pool is the last one. So now we're gonna put down to Emerald Pool and that's where we'll get out. This is called Cave Crossing right here. So normally it's pretty shallow. If you watched our corn harvesting video, this is where we came across the river. We used to use it to do horseback rides to the nearby ATM cave. If you take the taper route, the trail will come around and you can stock up the river right here. Because the water's so high, we're gonna have to exit before the pool because I don't know if we can get back across the river. So we're just gonna exit river left right before we get to the Emerald Pool.
It might be a bit
Yeah, so in the dry season, this whole trail will be dry. And since it's rained so much, you can see we're like walking through a foot or two of water depending on where we are.
Hey, you got a first-hand account of what it's like to tube in the jungle. Thanks for joining us.